Welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use GeoGebra to find a regression equation. Now, normally I would do this on a cell phone, but since there is no spreadsheet view on a cell phone, I'm going to do this on a typical Google Chrome browser. If you have a tablet, like an iPad, you can go ahead and download GeoGebra Classic in the App Store, and that does have a spreadsheet view. But for now, I'm just going to stick to using a Chrome browser so that no matter what technology you have at home, you can follow along. Now we need GeoGebra Classic, and it's a little roundabout to get into it if you're in this page. So go to Start Calculator. And then you're going to want to click on these boxes here. And right here you'll see GeoGebra Classic at the bottom. And then it's going to ask you the view you want. Click on Spreadsheet. And I'm going to close this out. Now that you're on Spreadsheet, I'm going to put some data into the spreadsheet here. And then we'll find a regression equation. All right, please pause your video and go ahead and enter in these values in column A and column B. This is from the OpenStax Introductory Statistics book, example 12.6, the regression equation, where this column represents third exam scores and this column represents final exam scores for a random sample of 11 statistics students. The context right now doesn't matter. We just need to learn the mechanics of using GeoGebra for this task. So please pause your video and go ahead and enter the data as you see here. All right, now that you've paused your video, go ahead and highlight all the data. Use your keyboard. It's a little tricky to use your mouse, at least for me. So I've highlighted the data using my keyboard, and I'm going to tap this histogram here, and I'm going to go to variable regression analysis. And it creates this lovely looking scatter plot of my data. So, the student with the 65 exam score and a final, midterm 3 score and a final exam score of 175 is here. And as you can see, we have kind of a line here with some points that don't quite fit. But again, the context doesn't matter. The mechanics do right now in this video. So under regression model, I want you to click linear. And here this red line is the desired linear equation that best represents this data, and here you have the line in slope-intercept form. Now if you're in my statistics class and not my algebra class, you're going to need a little more information. You're going to want to click this button to get all the relevant statistics, including the correlation coefficient. So that concludes this tutorial on using GeoGebra for linear regression. I hope that was helpful.